we already got this. See, because here that's little chain, remember?
Yeah.
So we already got all this.
Was this good then?
Look at I think we already got those.
What happened?
I was just checking the knife.
Oh.
See, this thing is cutting degrees.
You said 30, right?
Yeah, 30. And there's, I think it's a 20 and a 30 and a 40.
So how can
30
a
degrees.
10-degree difference
22 degrees.
make a difference for this?
22. 30 is like this, and 20 like that.
So if someone paid you $1 million a year, and you had to sharpen all the blades in the world by hand like this, would you do it?
No, because there are too many blades. You die by the time you get through. Okay, so that was ready to go.
Oh, I'm gonna hold on to it.
Yeah. Oh, wait.
Oh,
Let me get some red so we can wipe this thing down.
okay.
Damn it, I don't have any of that cleaning fluid and spray.
Can I let go of this, or is it gonna fall? This, can I let go?
I'm not gonna fall.
Well-
And then fall it on your foot.
We're looking for cleaning spray. Back to the famous tool chest.
Huh?
Back to the famous tool chest.
Yeah.
Is this your starting point for everything?
Let's see if this thing will get some of that stuff.
What is it? The steel wool brush?
Yeah. See, I told you that was going to be.
I'm gonna go over there to hold on to it.
No. Let me.
I'm gonna get you something.
No, let me go over there. See what I can find.